Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Well, today's video is going to be a nighttime decorate with me. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be working adjacent from the family room. And I've sort of been playing with the table vignette and ideas, not exactly happy with it. So when this happens and I hit a roadblock, sometimes the best thing for me to do is take a step back, clear all the clutter, remove it all, and start fresh. So I also thought this might be a great opportunity for you guys to see a blank wall transformed with a table, and then with lighting, and then a mirror, and then with the finishing touches. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go step by step, and I'll try to do it quickly, but you know how it goes. Sometimes I get to talking. So anyway, let's get busy. I've got stuff to do, and it's night, so gotta get this done fast. So for those of you who may want to purchase a barn light, but you're worried that you may have to hire an electrician to run the wiring through down, on the inside of the wall, you don't have to. Just buy this one on Amazon, drop the cord, plug it in, and you're done. And the best part, I'm gonna put a mirror right there, so it's really gonna conceal that cord. You're just gonna see a very small amount of it, but I think it just adds to the charm. What can I say? Now, I think I have 2 videos in which I showed how to install these. It's super easy. If I can do it, anyone can. So if I can find those videos, I'll link an iCard above, and you can check out how I put the light together and installed it. It's so easy. So here's the table we're gonna place here. I got this at Home Goods. It did not come with the baskets. I went to the basket section of Home Goods. I found some that fit in there, and I just put them in there to kind of give it a little bit of a rustic or casual feel. Now, down below, you see the extension cords. We can't have that. I've got a solution for it. We're gonna start down there. Otherwise, the cords will drive me nuts. It'll drive me bonkers. So this is my solution. At Hobby Lobby, I got this metal and wood wall embellishment. I love it. But these don't have to go up high on the wall. They can actually go down on a shelf. Let me show you. So is that not cool or what? It serves 2 purposes. It hides the cord, and number 2, it serves as a really cute backdrop for whatever I decide to place down there. Gives it visual interest and character. So let's start on the top, and then we'll work our way down below. In regards to the mirror that I'm gonna add right now, I get a ton of questions on this. Where did you get it? I got it at Kirkland's years and years and years ago, and I have 2 of them. I wanted to go with a more casual looking mirror right here, but I didn't like what I had in my storage room, so I'm gonna use this mirror, which is what I had there for Christmas. And then we're gonna add a wreath to it. So let me get it in place, and you'll see it in just a moment. All right, so I want to point out that's all you see of the cord. And then moving down, you don't see anything because the mirror is just resting on the table, and I've leaned it backwards. But I absolutely love this barn light with that Edison bulb, because that bulb is sort of an amber color, and the way the light reflects downward on the mirror is really actually pretty. And I also want to point out that I did add a command hook right there. And that is where we're going to be hanging our spring wreath. Next up, we've got this beautiful wreath. I got this at Home Goods just after Christmas. And I love the color green. It's my favorite color. And I love these little flowers, and they're basically outlined with yellow around the edges, and it just looks so pretty, and it goes really well with my sectional in the other room. So we're going to be hanging it to that command hook right there on the mirror. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 farmhouse lamps. And if you'd like to know where I got these, Walmart. I got the base at Walmart, the lampshade at Walmart. Now, I know some of you may be saying, Liz, what in the world do you need to add 2 lamps for when you already have light shining down? Well, because I want to. I just want to. I'm all about ambiance, and I like my displays light and bright and cheery. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add 2 lamps. See, doesn't it look cute? I think it does. Let there be light. And this is how it looks so far. So you don't even see the wire because it's concealed by the mirror. I really like the lights because it makes this focal point wall bright and cheery. And down below we see no cords because we've got it concealed by the metal wall embellishment. And so now it's just a matter of plugging and playing with our decor pieces. So what I'm going to show you next, you're going to think I've lost my marbles, but I want to try it. So a few weeks ago, I was at Ross and I came across these 2 pieces. It's wall art, wall decor, that's what I meant. See, it's getting late. But anyway, I had originally planned to put these up on my mantle next to a mirror, but I didn't like the way they looked up there, so I'm gonna try them over here, but this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can get you up close so you can see the detail. These were $19.99 each, and let's try them. You can hang them on the wall. They have little brackets, so you can hang them vertically or horizontally, but we're just gonna lean them. So I just wanna tuck it behind the lamp to add visual interest. So I'm gonna pull this out just a tad and I'm just gonna lean it. Now I know some of you are probably thinking, Liz, you should have just stopped at the mirror. Just stop yourself. Y'all know I can't. I'm a little extra. I've always got to have extra stuff. It's just me. Let's add this one on the other side. And that's how it looks. Now, lamps aren't just for the top of the tables. You'd be surprised how cute a lamp looks like on a table like this down below. So what I've done is I did sort of a blooming lamp. I had this base. I stuck a little farmhouse light in it. This is also from Walmart. From their lamp section, I added some greenery from Hobby Lobby, just stuffed it in here, and then ran the cord out the back. You won't even see the cord. And I'm gonna put this down below. I also forgot to mention, to add a little height, I'm using this cute little metal pedestal. You can get these at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna set this on top of it. Like I said, run the cord out the back. You're not even gonna see it. And it's gonna be a cute little springy blooming lamp on the bottom of the table. So down here is all my extension cords plugged into that outlet right there. I'm gonna be putting that lamp right here. And I've got it all plugged in. I'm gonna stick this right here. And then all I have to do is push this back, and all my cords are concealed. And see how cute that looks? Now down below, I'm gonna be adding 2 of these Tuscan style canisters right next to that arched wall piece, so stay tuned. So down below, I'm gonna put this cute bird cage, and all I did was sit some greenery on the bottom of it. I put a flowers and plants pot, and on the inside of it, I added some greenery and yellow flowers. And so this will sit center stage right in front of that arched wall embellishment. Now I'm going to add a candle. And this is how it looks. So I wanted to add a little black over here to match the black over there. We kind of have a rustic brown basket element that ties in with the brown over there and black. And to lighten it up, we added this. So all in all, I think it's really cute down below. All right, we're in the home stretch now. So I am gonna add this really cute rustic bird cage. And to it, I've added a pitberry garland with a chippy white and grayish looking bird. And I think this makes an adorable display for spring. And the brown kind of ties in the brown below, and the white is kind of tying in the white look going on up top. So I'm gonna set this right there. So you guys may remember, I don't know, right after Christmas, I ordered this super cute rabbit off of Amazon. I'll link him in the description box below in case you're interested. I cannot find my small chalk. So anyway, I used my big chalk. I just wrote, "Hello, Winter," and I'm gonna use him. He's just too cute not to use. And I'm gonna set him right there. But the browns all kind of tie in together, and the black kind of goes with the black down below. So I hope you guys can see my vision here. Now the finishing touch will be these 2 floral picks that I picked up at Walmart of all places. If you guys have a Walmart close by, go stock up on these. These are so pretty. I have these in my dining room in a display. I mean, look how pretty. There's little pops of yellow. And of course, I love the green. And to sort of conceal this right here, I thought I would stick these between his legs just to add some texture. And this is how Mr. Bunny looks. And when I get some chalk, it'll look really cute there, but standing back, I really like the texture of that piece behind him. I love the light, and I think it looks really cute. And this is how it looks. I think it turned out really, really cute for spring. wrap up the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the decorating process start to finish. And let's see, what will we be up to Friday? Couldn't tell you right now, but I'll think of something good. Fingers crossed. Anyway, all right guys, see you Friday. Mwah.